So this is Grandpa's kids bench. This is a bench that was made by my grandfather, who's a carpenter and a woodworker. And we used it as kids. We used it to stand up and brush our teeth at the bathroom sink, use it for toolbox. What I did is I drew the shape of the bench using a pen and paper, and then I scanned it into my computer program using the trace image function. From there, I was able to make a digital rendering of the pieces and import them into Carbide Create software and make cut lists for each of the individual parts. Once I designed that, I was able to get a cut list going, and using the CNC router, I was able to cut off each of the individual parts. Once all the parts were cut, I was able to dry fit them. They fit together pretty well and came out pretty close to the original. Used a new product from Oracal, a little bit better than the traditional Oracal used for masking, but this worked really well. Cut through the Oracal masking, and from there, start painting. And you see some of the masking still there, peeling it off, revealing the letters underneath. Once I touched the benches up, cleaned them up, test them to see if they worked on a real kit. And they did, they worked great, just like the original.